Welcome to day 9 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi. Today's session is called Grounding Strength. So in Tai Chi, grounding is about establishing a deep connection with the earth, fostering stability, balance, and a profound sense of calm. So without further ado, find a place where you can do some mindful movement. So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. And as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine. Abdominal breathing. Just taking a moment to feel into the body. Feel your feet connected with the earth. Feeling grounded and rooted like roots of a tree. It's coming into the present moment, letting go of all the worries from the day. Then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, then let it out with a big sigh, letting out tension and stress. And then from here, the arms float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it in towards the heart, then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi, grounding the energy. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. Then the arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain, opening the door, starting the journey. Nice way to start the flow, some gentle movement. One more time, opening the door. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides, making two loose fists. And then gently rotate towards one side. One fist goes behind the neck, the other behind the lower back. And then coming back to center, switching sides, drawing sabers. Never forcing it, just easing in, gentle rotation. One more time, drawing sabers. And then from here, both arms float all the way over to the side and down, circling in front, hug the tree. And then step one foot out to the side, a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up towards the earth as you gather the seeds. And then we'll plant the seeds into the earth. So softening down, the hands come down the center and then out to the sides. Coming back up the center to gather some more seeds, and then planting them into the earth. Softening down, breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, planting seeds. And then circle all the way in front, hugging the tree, and soften. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the fingertips point up, they float up the midline of the body, and then spiral out and down. Silk reeling the upward spirals. Breathing in, opening the shoulders, opening the chest, breathing out, decompressing the spine. One more time, silk reeling the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms float up and over, the fingertips point down, they come down the center, and then spiral out and away. silk reeling downward spirals, grounding the energy down, spiraling the energy throughout the body, increasing the blood flow and circulation as well. One more time, silk reeling downward spirals. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face each other in front of the heart, and then softening down, the hands come down the center. The hands brush out to the side, coming all the way up and over, and then down the center again, planting the tree. Other side, the hands float up, and then down the center. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting the tree. And then from here, circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, both hands float all the way over to the side and down, floating up to shoulder height. Other side, taking your time, drifting over. And then from here, this hand scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level. And then down, same side, just the arms at first. The hand comes right out in front, the other one by the hip. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg. Touching down or lifting up, just meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. One more time on this side, the rooster stands on one leg. And then the arms drift over to the other side, floating up to shoulder height. And then this hand here scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level. The other hand by the hip. And once again, with just the arms, no rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed, and it's okay to wobble. Just letting go of judgment the best you can, bringing curiosity instead. One more time, the rooster stands on one leg. And then circle the arms around in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, the arms open up wide. The hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out, really letting go. So we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider, and then from here the palms face each other in front of the heart. Then as you rise up, the arms expand, breathing in. As you breathe out, squeezing the hands together, softening down. Rising up, squeezing the moon, squeezing the abdominals as well. So breathing in soft, breathing out. Contracting the abdominals if you can. One more time, squeezing the moon. And then from here, the arms float down by the sides. And then reverse direction, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions. They float across like clouds in the sky. The hands switch again, wave hands like clouds. Drifting across, softening the shoulders, softening the neck, using only what you need. One more time, drift across. Then this time the top hand makes a hook. The bottom hand comes up and then floats across the horizon, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. And then this time, if you want, you can step in as the hand comes up, and then step out as it floats across. All right, one more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds once again. Take your time stepping in, drifting across, letting go. Breathing. This time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, floats across, palm turns up. Circle it around again, single whip. You can keep going just like that, or if you want, this time you can step in and then step out. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds, stepping in, drifting across, breathing, letting go. This time step in as you make a hook, step out for single whip. Nice and soft, one more time, circle it around. And then from here, reverse direction, the back foot turns out, the hand comes up and over, pressing down, the hand scoops through, and then back up. Circle it around again, the snake creeps through the grass. You can always soften the hook arm if it gets tired. Let's do one more on this side. The snake creeps through the grass. And then from here, the hook floats up. It scoops down the back and then out to the side. Other side, the hand scoops through, spiraling out to the side, the dancing dragon. All right, one more time. And then this hand here drops down and drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Stepping in, taking your time. You can even lean into it if you like. This time, step in as you make a hook. Step out, single whip. One more time, circle it around. And then from here, reverse direction, the back foot turns out, the hand comes up and over, presses down, scoops through, and then back up. Circle it around again, the snake creeps through the grass. And you don't have to go very low. Just being kind to yourself. One more time. And then from here, the hook floats up, goes down the back and out to the side. Other side, dancing dragon. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. And then the back hand drops down, drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Taking your time, stepping in, drifting across. Letting go of any tension you don't need. As we learn to move like nature with effortless ease. All right, one more time. Wave hands like clouds. And then from here, both arms drop down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the hands come together in prayer position as you soften down. The fingertips guide the way out to the side, and then they scoop around and go to the other side. The dragon pierces through. So very gently, side to side, like you're piercing through the clouds. Then if you want, you can let the hands begin to drift up towards the mountain peak. And then going down the mountain trail to the base of the mountain. And then tune into your body, moving in any way that would feel great for you right now. Just letting the energy guide you, the spontaneous dragon. So, or you can always just go side to side, or changing direction, just bringing curiosity to your movements. What would it feel like to go here? All right, one more time, spontaneous dragon. And then release, round out, hugging the tree, step the foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering, creating focus and energy, grounding the energy into the earth. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Circle the hands in front, gather in the energy, bring it into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. The hands float down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down, this time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling all the sensations in the body, feeling rooted into the earth, but flexible like bamboo. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me for this Tai Chi flow. Stick around for a few more minutes for your poem of the day. And so today's poem that I created is called The Earth's Embrace. Feet grounded, strong and true. In the earth, my strength renews. With every step, my confidence grows. In balance, I find my flow. So thank you all so much for joining me today. Please click the link here to watch your strength training video of the day, and I'll see you over there.